If media keys in Chrome are causing playback issues, taking over your keyboard buttons, or interrupting your music and videos, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to disable them. We'll do it step by step so you can change the settings safely and get Chrome behaving the way you want. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click in the address bar at the top and type chrome://flash flags, then press enter. This will take you to Chrome's experimental features page where you can change advanced browser settings. Now, inside the search bar at the top of the flags page, type media key handling. As you type, Chrome will filter the results and the hardware media key handling flag should appear right at the top. This is the setting that controls how Chrome responds to your keyboard's media buttons, such as play, pause, next track, and previous track. Next, look at the drop-down menu next to the flag. By default, it will usually be set to default. Click that drop-down menu and select Disabled. Once you choose Disabled, Chrome knows not to take control of those media keys anymore. After that, a blue Relaunch button will appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the change. Chrome will close and reopen automatically, and when it comes back up, the new setting will be active. Once that's done, your media keys should no longer be handled by Chrome in the same way, which can be really helpful if another app, your operating system, or a media player should be in control instead. If you ever want to turn this back on later, just return to chrome://flags, search for media key handling again, and switch it back to default or enabled. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to disable media keys in Chrome in just a few clicks. If this tutorial saved you time or fixed your issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful browser tips, Windows fixes, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.